Hey, thanks for checking out our GPS Explainer video. Hopefully this video gives you more detail around how we run our events on the day and also what option of delivery is best for you. There's three types of delivery: fully managed, virtually hosted, or self-managed. So to start with, our fully managed service includes 2 experienced hosts that turn up in character to your venue with our own iPads that we bring along and our own winners medals. We typically have a 15-minute introduction. You go out into the field for an hour to an hour and a half, and then there's a 15-minute wrap-up at the end. This is where we'll show you the event pictures that you've taken and the challenge videos, challenge photos, and also hand out your awards for the awards ceremony. If you choose virtually hosted, then one of our hosts will meet you on a Zoom call. We'll send out the instructions, and your teams will already have their devices prepared with the app. We'll give you the game code, we kick you off in that 15-minute introduction, again you go out into the field, and then we do a 15-minute wrap-up at the end. And then lastly, our self-manage, our budget offering. Okay, if you want to run this event yourself, then we'll give you all of the instructions for you to send out to your team. You can run that virtually or in person, but you'll have all of the instructions to your team to use their own devices, and that is our budget option that you can run yourself. Okay, so once we've done our introduction, the teams have been formed, the names of the teams have been created, you've got a team leader, and we've given out those tablets to each of those teams. Teams will then go out into the field in search for the GPS hotspots. They'll have to choose an optimal route to get round in the most efficient way. And when they get to those hotspots, challenges will automatically open. There's trivia, there's general knowledge, there's photo challenges, there's lots of things that will use the skills of everyone in that team. If they've chosen one of our scavenger hunt type games, then they'll gather clues if they get those questions right. And those clues are going to be used at the end of the game to answer our bonus round questions, which will really help your team level up on the leaderboard for a chance to win our winning team medals if you've chosen our fully managed service. Our events can host up to 500 participants. So wherever you are in the world, we can have 500 people playing all at one time. We've also got over 500 different locations to choose globally, but if you've got a custom location that you want to start from and end at, then do let us know and we will set up a custom location that's convenient for your event. We would typically recommend teams of 4 to 6 so that everyone that's playing that game has an opportunity to be involved in the various different types of questions and challenges that the teams are going to encounter as they track down their GPS locations on the map. If you've got teams in 2 different locations, so say a team in Birmingham and a team in London, we can actually run concurrent events with exactly the same types of questions, exactly the same distance walked, and they'll all be competing on the same leaderboard. So once you've placed your event booking with us, if you do have people in multiple cities or 2 cities, anywhere around the world, let us know and we'll make sure that those teams' events are set up in each of those locations. All of our GPS events have our weather guarantee. What that means is if it's going to be rain or wind and you want to move that date, we'll allow you to do that without charge. Our team will always be looking at the weather when we've got an event coming up, and we'll make you aware of anything we believe is a risk, but you've got that guarantee to move that event without charge. Likewise, if your event is more than 7 days away, we'll allow you to move any GPS event without charge. So that could purely be for convenience, that you want to move that location. There'll be no charge for that. At the end of the treasure hunt, we will bring all teams back to your chosen location by a particular time. And it's here we'll then share a slide of all the photo challenges the teams have taken, which is always a great laugh. Everyone has a load of fun seeing what everyone else has been getting up to. We'll then go through the leaderboard, and of course, our winners will be handed out the winners' medals in the winners' ceremony. So this is a really good event for everyone to be involved in. It's fully inclusive. If you're thinking, well, how far are people having to walk? It's about a 2-mile walking distance. And we'll set up a location that's about a half-mile radius from your chosen location. Obviously, if we're sending people to a different location as an end route, then that won't be a radius. We'll put people through a path to your end location. But that's something that we can discuss with you once you've made your booking. Hopefully this has answered all of the questions that you've got. Check out our webpage, get your quote today, place your booking. If you've got any questions, you can call us, you can email us, or you can choose our chat feature. We're really looking forward to entertaining you on your next team event.